Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix control center in iPhone iOS 18 update. So basically iPhone has introduced their latest update iOS 18. Now if you are facing the problem related to control center, because in official 18 update there are many things which are changed in control center. Now if you want to change the settings, or if you are having problem with the control center, so how you can fix that? The first option is just that you can simply press and hold in the control center, and after that you will find many settings related to control center, and you can also remove any section you want, or you can also add any setting in that. But if you want to change all these settings, so what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of control center here. So here is also written the guidelines, so how you can simply change the control centers here. So here you can it is written, swipe down from the top right edge to open the control center, add, rearrange and resize any control. So here you can simply find all the settings from here. So what you have to do, you have to scroll it down, and you can simply add any option available here. You can also add many controls here. So it is due to the recent update, so you have to simply make sure that you are familiar with that new settings. Otherwise there is no problem related to control center in iOS 18 update. But if you are facing that problem, then what you have to do, you have to simply contact Apple support, and you have to tell their the problem, what is problem with you, and they will solve your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.